Vagina discharge. Yes, you heard me right. And if you're a lady watching me, go and get a pen and a paper because you're about to learn something very important. If you're a man, don't go away. No, 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 don't go away. If you have a daughter, a sister, or a wife, you're going to learn a thing or two. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm so excited to have you here. I'm so delighted to see you, and I promise you this section is going to be very educating. So sit back, relax, let's dive into this topic. As a woman, I'm very sure this is not the first time you're coming across the term vaginal discharge. But for clarity purposes, vaginal discharge is a discharge that comes from the vagina. Most women of childbearing age, they get this discharge. It is a normal part of their lives. But can you confidently tell me, as a woman, that you know what this discharge is, you know why you get it, and you know when you should be worried about it? Do you even know that this discharge is your friend? Yes, because it is a very good indicator of your health down there. It tells you when you should be worried and when you should take action. We are going to talk about why the vaginal discharge is your friend and not your enemy. Number one, the vaginal discharge actually helps to clean out the vagina. Inside that vaginal discharge, you will see unwanted bacteria and dead cells. These are things that the body no longer needs. The body is trying to get rid of them. And it is the vaginal discharge that will help to carry these things from inside the body to the outside, thereby helping us to maintain a very good and healthy environment down there. Number two, vaginal discharge helps the vagina, or should I say, keep the vagina from drying out. It doesn't, because it acts as a moisturizer. Imagine if there is no vaginal discharge in there, it is going to dry out. It is going to be very unpleasant in there. So let's just say this is the moisturizer of the vagina. It helps to keep it from drying out. And again, it can act as a very good lubricant to make sexual intercourse easier. Okay, let's not go there. Number three, the vaginal discharge has antibodies in it. Now, when you hear of antibodies, just think of soldiers. Soldiers that are ready to fight. In our body, we have, many antibodies that help us to fight against infection. In your vaginal discharge, there are antibodies also. So they help you to fight against bacteria, fungi, viruses, anything that wants to cause infections down there. The antibodies in the vaginal discharge will help to protect you against it. So it is a good support. It supports your immune system. Number four, let's talk about fertility. You know what the vaginal discharge does? When it's that time of the month, when you are very fertile, it just changes. The consistency changes. And it just tells you, auntie, it is that time of the month. If you want a bouncing baby boy or girl, it is time to do the do. But if you don't want a bouncing baby girl, it is time to run away from the other room. No, these are the things that the vaginal discharge does for us. It is actually our friend. There are numerous benefits that it provides for the body. Having known how important our vaginal discharge is, what then should we be looking out for in our vaginal discharge? Since this is one of the first indicators that our health down there is compromised, what should we look out for? When should we be worried? Number one, smell. The smell of our vaginal discharge tells us when something is wrong. The vaginal discharge should not smell. It should be odorless, or the smell should be very mild. Nothing unpleasant. Once your vaginal discharge starts to smell like fish, or has a very unpleasant smell. You know what unpleasant is? You know what you smell and you don't even like it. You're trying to avoid that smell. That is unpleasant. It means that something is wrong down there. A healthy vagina and a healthy vaginal discharge should not have an unpleasant odor. Number two, the amount. The amount tells us a lot. A healthy vagina produces a discharge that just stays on your panties. It doesn't get you soaked and it doesn't make you want to wear a pad. Once your vaginal discharge is coming out in quantities that would make you want to wear a pad or getting you soaked, there is a problem. The amount should actually be minimal and not very plentiful. Number three, the color of your vaginal discharge. There are colors you don't need to worry about. because they are normal, and there are colors that you need to worry about. In fact, you need to go to the hospital and have them checked out. Let's talk about the colors that we don't need to worry about. The red color, which signifies monthly bleeding. Most women of childbearing age, they get this, and it lasts for a couple of days, and that's it. When the color of your vaginal discharge is white or creamy, this is also normal, provided that it does not smell and then it doesn't require you to put on a pad. It is completely normal. When the color of your vaginal discharge is transparent, just like water, and it has this egg-like consistency, this is also normal. It's only telling you that you are ovulating or you are in your fertile period. This is normal and nothing to worry about. When the color of your vaginal discharge is brownish, and then it is the end of your period or towards the end of your monthly bleeding, then this is normal. Say day 5 or day 6 of your monthly bleeding, the color will change to brownish. It is normal in most women and nothing to worry about. But if you get this brownish color consistently throughout your menstrual cycle, then you have to get this checked out. Let's go to the abnormal colors. When the color of your vaginal discharge is green, yellow, gray, bluish, or any other abnormal color, please and please run to the hospital and have yourself checked out. These colors are not normal and they indicate that there is an infection or that there is something serious going on in there. Hey, if you're still watching me, thank you so much. You are the real G. Thank you for joining me in today's section and see you next week. Bye.